Hi everyone, this is Krishna, maxillofacial surgeon. Most of the people won't start your implant cases. The reason is you might not have the basic idea regarding the kit, okay, the drill kit or the kit what you need to use for the implants. Most of the people won't have idea of the components or how to proceed with that. So to help you with that, I am doing this video. So whatever the kit you are seeing, basically this was the Neodent company one which I am using. Okay, the same way you will be having Norris or whatever the system what you are using. I am using the Neodent company. So here I have the drill bit kit of Neodent. Okay, in this the first thing what you need to see is this is the screw. This will have a hexagonal thing which will fit with the implant. Okay, this and all we'll talk it later. But when this, see over here, okay, this one, the sharp drill, can you see the sharp drill? What you are seeing is the pilot drill. Okay, it will have only around 0.2 mm of the tip. Okay, this is the pilot drill, that is the initial drill. See, I will tell you the easy way how you need to go with any system, whatever the system you are using. This is the pilot drill. Okay, first you start from here, then after that these are the sequential drills that you have. This is the 2 mm, 3.5 mm, you can see here. This is 3.75 mm, this is 4 mm, 4.3, 5, likewise you have till the 6. In the Norris, in the Neodent you have till 6 is the last size. Okay, these are the various sequential drills. First you need to start with the pilot drill, then you need to go with the 2, 3.5, 7.5, 4, 4.3, 5 and 6. Okay, so now where to stop? Okay, for say example 3.75 or 4.0. so where to stop is, for say example, if you are planning to place the implant of around 3.75 size or 4.0, so now you need to check with the implant size. That you need to decide in a two ways. One is go with the CBCT, check the CBCT, maintain the buccal and lingual dimension of around 1 mm. Okay, so by that you can decide what, for say example, if the bone width is 7, then you need to go for 4.2 or 3.7. Why? You need to maintain 1 centimeter, 1 mm of width on both the sides. Okay, that's how you need to decide your implant size, and based on that you need to go till the drilling size. Okay, now one more question. Okay, the question is, do we need to prepare the site undersize or oversize? Okay, for say example, you have chosen an implant of around 4.3, you are going to prepare a site for 4.3. okay, if the porosity of the bone is very less, that means there is a dense bone. In the case of dense bone, you can go for a equal size, that is 4 till 4.3 you can do, and then you can place the implant. But still the torque is going for very high, you can't go for the implant loading in the same site. In that cases you need to go for additional drills. Here you can see, can you see 4.3 plus, or this 4.3 plus will reduce the torque of the implant and the implant will go into the osteotomy site. Over torquing has to be avoided because that will cause the necrosis over the implant site. So that is how you need to go for this is the pilot drill, followed by 2, then followed by 3.5. okay, followed by 3.5, then whatever the implant size you are going, you go. If the dense bone is there, then you need to go for plus 3.75 plus 4.3 plus. Okay, that is the thing. After that you need to look for these things. What are these things that I am having? Is my pilot, this one are to check. Okay, this one are paralleling pins. These are the paralleling pins that you have over here. Okay, this is the 4.3, this is 3.75. likewise different size paralleling pins may be available. I have just added the threads because patient shouldn't swallow these things if accidentally slips. See here, these are different size paralleling pins that you can use to check whether the implant is parallel or not. So immediately after you doing the pilot drill, you need to place this paralleling pin. Okay, then you need to check for one x-ray. After that you need to go for sequential drills. Then you need to load the implant. That we will do afterwards. Okay. So after that you need to reconfirm your size. Here is the 4.3 into 10 implant, and this is the implant driver. Okay, you can see over here, this is the implant driver with which you need to load your implant. Slowly uncork the implant. Okay, like this it will be. Once after that, just fit it. Okay, here is your 4.3 into 10 size implant. Okay, from below this. కొంచెం బరువు ఉంటుంది. Now it has reached the torque, that's why it got loud. Okay, zoom in, zoom in. See, now you can see the implant that has been placed. Okay, only a bit I need to, now it's equicrustal, I need to make it subcrustal. Always I will submerge my implant for around 2 mm into the bone. That I will do with the hand wrench. So these are the two things what you are seeing are different types of wrenches. Okay, this is the long one. Okay, whenever the patient is having too much of mouth opening, then only you can use this. So you need to place this into the implant surface. Then here you have something called as in and out for this. Okay, this one you need to place it into this. Okay, and then this goes into the implant surface. Then you need to do either clockwise or the anti-clockwise, whether you are going to reverse it or whether you are going to into the bone surface. Okay, so now I attain primary stability around 45. Okay, now almost around till the 45 of lithium. Almost till the primary stability of 45 we have achieved. Okay, so this is what we have achieved intraorally. Now you can see the implant. Section. Now you can see the implant which was submerged. అంతలో
అది కనపడుతుంది
ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది?
ఇంప్లాంట్
కింద పెట్టుకో,
చూడు ఇంప్లాంట్ వస్తుంది
పైన పెట్టు అయితే కొంచెం.
మరి అందుకే కదా నేను పెట్టింది.
ఓకే, నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ ద ఇంప్లాంట్. అక్కడ టచ్ చేయి ఒకసారి. ఇంప్లాంట్ విచ్ వాజ్ సబ్మర్జ్డ్. ఓకే, దట్స్ ఆల్. దెన్ యూ నీడ్ టు ప్లేస్ ద కవర్ స్క్రూ. ఆపేసి కనిపిస్తుందా? దిస్ వాజ్ ద కవర్ స్క్రూ వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్లేస్ ఆన్ టు ద ఇంప్లాంట్ సర్ఫేస్. ఇంప్లాంట్ తెలియదు. just check for the fit of it, then the implant has been placed. Here you can see. Okay.